How to verify your photo ID on PayPal. In this video, I will show you how you can verify your PayPal photo ID. And if you don't know how to do that, this video is going to be very helpful for you. Make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. Now let's begin the tutorial. So on the process of creating your PayPal account, if PayPal asks you to verify your photo ID, or if you have already created an account on PayPal and you get a message like this, then what are you gonna do, guys? Click on see details. And here if I scroll down, as you can see, it says as a security measure, we have temporarily limited certain features in your PayPal account. You will need to provide some information to regain access to these features. In effort to keep your account secure, we have also limited certain features in your account. You will be able to regain access to these features once you provide that information we have requested. So guys, if you don't verify your photo ID, you cannot use all these features like paying, refunding, sending, receiving, withdrawing, all those stops. So to verify your photo ID, here I'm going to click on close, and here I'm going to scroll down, and here I'm going to click on resolve. And here what type of document you're going to upload. Your documents need to be valid and legible. The submit information on documents must correspond with the information on your PayPal account. Your documents should not include selfies or image of people. You will handle your information in accordance with our privacy statement. So guys, you need to upload your documents according to these rules. So here to upload your document, select on document type, and here you can select the type of document you're gonna upload. So here it has driver's license option, PAN card, voter ID card, and as I am living in India, I have this PAN card and voter ID card options. But if you are from a different country, these documents option will be different. So you need to upload the document that is listed in this list. As I have PAN card and voter ID, I'm gonna select PAN card, and then I'm gonna click on drag and drop. And here it says JPG, GIF, PNG or PDF file must be 5 MB each. And to upload the document, I'm gonna click on browse files, and I'm gonna select my document. And here it is, I have selected my document. Now I'm gonna click on submit. And here it is, it says your information has been submitted. Now let's go to account limitations. And here it says we are reviewing your information and will get back to you regarding the status of this reference ID within 1 day. So guys, as you can see, my document has been submitted and they are reviewing my document information, and within 1 day they will get back to me regarding this issue. So let me wait until they provide me their decision about this issue. So after 3 days, I got this mail from PayPal saying your account access has been restored. And here is the mail. Your account access has been restored. Thank you for providing request information for this reference ID. We have restored full access to your account. We appreciate your patience in helping us resolve this issue. So guys, now let me show you by logging into my PayPal account. Once I logged into my PayPal account, as you can see, this is the interface of my PayPal account, and here there is no such notifications or message I have right now. So that's how guys you can remove limitations and regain full access to these features of your PayPal account by verifying your photo ID. And that's pretty much it is. That is how you can verify your photo ID on PayPal. And if you found this video helpful, then do me a big favor by hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you want to downgrade your PayPal beginners account to a personal account, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.